Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we've got a product that promises to elevate your home Wi-Fi experience. And let's be real, who doesn't want faster, more reliable Wi-Fi? Whether you're working from home, gaming, streaming, or simply browsing the web, a good Wi-Fi system can make all the difference. So let's take a look at the TP-Link Deco X15 dual-band AX1500 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. This one-pack mesh system is designed to cover up to 2,100 square feet and promises to eliminate weak Wi-Fi once and for all. Stick around as we walk through its key features, real-world performance, and if it's truly worth your time and money. The TP-Link Deco X15 is a dual-band mesh system that leverages Wi-Fi 6 technology to offer a solid performance boost over older systems. It can provide speeds of up to 1,201 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. This combination of high-speed capability and dual-band performance makes it ideal for households that demand solid, consistent internet for multiple devices. The system uses AI-powered mesh to automatically optimize your network performance, meaning the system learns from your usage patterns and adjusts the network accordingly. And with coverage for up to 2,100 square feet, it's meant to replace traditional Wi-Fi routers and range extenders, eliminating dead zones in your home. This product isn't just about speed, though. It also boasts some serious features, like the ability to handle up to 120 devices simultaneously. Perfect if your household is packed with smart devices, smartphones, and laptops, tablets, and more. And for those who prefer wired connections, the Deco X15 comes with 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports per unit, allowing for faster data transfer when using wired backhaul connections. This can be especially useful in high-demand areas like home offices or entertainment setups where stability is a must. Security is another highlight of this system. TP-Link's Home Shield service offers cutting-edge security features, including IoT protection, network security scans, and even basic parental controls. Plus, with built-in support for both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can manage your Wi-Fi network with simple voice commands. It also integrates with the Deco app, allowing you to easily set up, monitor, and control your network from anywhere, all with just a few taps. Now, in terms of setting up the Deco X15, TP-Link has made it pretty straightforward. Using the Deco app, I had the system up and running within minutes. The app walked me through the process, asking me to connect the unit to my modem and create a network name and password. It also allowed me to customize my settings for things like security features and guest Wi-Fi. What's more, the system is backward compatible with older Wi-Fi generations, which means it'll work with virtually any modem or internet service provider out there. In real-world use, the Deco X15 performed well. I tested it across different rooms in my home, running a variety of tasks like streaming 4K content, gaming, video conferencing, and browsing. The network remained stable with minimal buffering, even when multiple devices were connected. During gaming, I didn't notice any significant lag, and streaming was smooth even when I pushed the system to its limits. The Wi-Fi coverage was excellent, reaching all corners of my home without any noticeable drop-offs. However, the Deco X15 isn't perfect. In my testing, I did experience occasional slowdowns in areas where the mesh units were located further apart, especially when the network was under heavy load. While the system claims to handle up to 120 devices, if you've got a lot of high-bandwidth devices in use simultaneously, it may occasionally struggle to maintain maximum speeds, particularly on the 2.4 GHz band. It's important to consider your specific needs and how many devices will be connected at once. When we look at the value for money, the TP-Link Deco X15 positions itself as a mid-range offering. It's competitively priced for a Wi-Fi 6 mesh system, and for the features it offers, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade from an older router or range extender. Compared to other products in the market like the Google Nest Wi-Fi or Eero, it holds its own, especially when it comes to the number of devices it can support and the security features it brings to the table. However, it's important to note that some competitors may offer additional units in their base pack, which could provide more coverage for a similar price. In terms of build quality, the Deco X15 feels solid. The units are compact and have a sleek, modern look that will fit in well with most home decor. The plastic construction is lightweight, but doesn't feel flimsy. While there are no long-term reliability data available yet, TP-Link has a strong reputation for building dependable products, so I'm confident this will hold up well over time. I didn't need to contact customer support during my testing, but TP-Link's reputation for support is generally positive. The Deco app itself is intuitive, and the online resources from TP-Link are easy to navigate. In terms of troubleshooting, the system does a good job of notifying you of issues and guiding you through potential fixes directly from the app, making it easy to maintain your network without needing to call support. With no major software updates necessary for this device at the time of testing, the Deco X15 seems to be fully optimized right out of the box. If there are any changes down the line, I expect TP-Link will roll out updates through the app seamlessly, as they have done with other Deco products. In summary, the TP-Link Deco X15 offers solid performance, ease of use, and good value for money. Its ability to handle multiple devices, coupled with its easy setup and powerful mesh technology, makes it a standout option for households looking to improve their Wi-Fi coverage and speed. However, if you're in a large home or plan to connect a lot of devices at once, you may want to consider other models with more units or higher specifications to better meet your needs. If you're looking for an affordable way to upgrade your Wi-Fi network and eliminate dead zones, the TP-Link Deco X15 is certainly worth considering. It's especially well-suited for smaller to mid-sized homes, and the security features give you peace of mind while keeping things simple. Thank you for watching! If you have any questions or thoughts on the Deco X15, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you want to pick one up for yourself, check the comments box for the link. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, keep your Wi-Fi strong and your connection even stronger.